In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a rainbow effect at the top of your video. Using CapCut, click the new video. Choose the clip you want to work on. Let's preview the video clip first. Click Overlay, then click Add Overlay, and import the rainbow image which I found on Google from Pixels. Now resize the image to fit your video clip, then place it at the top of your video. Extend the rainbow image so it lasts for the whole video. Then, move the video clip to the upper layer, then duplicate it. Next, find Overlay and click it. Then drag it down and move it to the beginning of the video. With the video selected below, search for mask. Then choose horizontal. Now, turn the yellow line to reveal the rainbow. Then drag the arrows up to create a clean mask. And here's the final result.